Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Microsoft. In this video, I show you how to contact the Microsoft account team. Open your browser and go to support.microsoft.com/contactus. Once there, click sign in at the top right and log in with your Microsoft account details. If you don't have an account, create one first. You'll need it to access certain support features. After signing in, you'll be back on the support page. Here, you'll find tabs for topics like Windows, Office, account and billing and devices. Click the category that matches your issue to see guides, FAQs and contact options. If you are unsure where to start, browse the sections or search for your problem. You may find step-by-step solutions or community answers instantly, and that's it. Now you know how to reach the Microsoft account team and get help fast.